Hello, my beautiful people. Thank you for visiting Docentes DigitalesTV. In this video, we are going to do the feedback session from the previous video. If this is your first time here, I recommend you watch the previous video where we talked about the Mason-Dixon line. Now, let's test what you've learned. Was the Mason-Dixon line drawn in the 1900s? No, it was drawn in the 1760s. Did the Mason-Dixon line originally settle a border dispute? Yes, between Pennsylvania and Maryland. Were Charles Mason and Jeremiah Dixon hired to mark the line? Yes, they were the surveyors. Did the line become symbolic for dividing free and slave states? Yes, it marked the boundary between North and South. Was the Mason-Dixon line meaningless during the Civil War? No, it played an important symbolic role. Did the line only have importance for geography? No, it also represented cultural and political differences. Is the Mason-Dixon line still legally important today? No, its legal importance has faded. Does the Mason-Dixon line remind us of America's divided past? Yes, it's a symbol of historical divisions. Did the North rely on plantation agriculture? No, the South did. Did the Mason-Dixon line help define the conflict between North and South? Yes, it highlighted the deep differences between them. Remember to watch this video several times to strengthen your understanding, and make sure to subscribe so you don't miss the upcoming videos in this wonderful series on learning English and American culture. See you in the next adventure.